So, Rebecca Olsen, are you nervous about your backpacking session that's going to be happening soon?
I'm very nervous, actually. I've never had one done before. I don't know why that's funny. I'm answering you honestly.
Okay. Have you ever had any of your backbones broken before?
No, I don't think I have. Stop laughing.
Okay, sorry. Have you ever had feet on your back?
Well, yes, I have.
Dude.
San Juan? Ching Chang Chong?
I know.
Yeah. Funny name, but you know.
Have you ever experienced any breakouts on your back?
No, I don't think I have. No, I'm.
Have you ever had feet sweat on your back?
Well, if I had feet on my back, then yeah.
I mean, like, they sweat it.
Yeah.
Have you ever... No, how do you usually get your back cracked?
By feet.
Have you ever had your back cracked any other way?
Ooh.
Oh. Yeah. Next question.
Why are you doing that?
No reason.
Okay, now, will you sign this paper that says, I, blank, agree that I will not sue the professional backpacker for any rashes that may occur and or any bones that may be broken after the cracking session?
Sure. Let me just sign it with my blood.
Oh, wait. Take it back. I, blank, agree that I will not sue professional backpackers for any rashes that may occur and or any bones that may be broken / bleeding.
Question. Back up. You guys are professionals. How do bones bleed?
They don't.
Skin.
Well then.
Or internal problems.
Right, internal bleeding. There you go. Sure, I'll sign this. Rebecca Olsen, agree that I will sue the professional backpacker for any rashes that may occur and or any bones that may be broken / internal bleeding after the cracking session. Professional signature. Custom signature. Here is my signature. Now your signature. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Alrighty.
Okay.
I will
Pizza.
talk to you later then, I guess.
Pizza.
Thank you. Appreciate it.